Hi, I'm Sam with Sat Phone Store, and I'm going to walk you through placing a phone call using your Iridium GO. Power on the Iridium GO by raising the antenna and waiting 1 or 2 minutes for it to initialize and find signal. Once your GO is registered and has a steady 3 bars of service, you're ready to make a call. Open the Iridium GO app on your smartphone and select Call. You can check to ensure that you have a good signal by noting the icon in the top left corner of the app. On your app's keypad, dial 00, the desired country code, and the phone number. The flag for the country you're calling should display next to the phone number. Press the green call button and your GO will dial and connect your call. Keep in mind that satellite calls can take a little longer to connect than a cellular phone call. And there you have it. Make sure to check out our other videos for other tips about using your Iridium GO.